Okay, so we're going to solve this system of equations using the substitution method. And so what we do with this is look for the one that has no coefficient, right? Look for the one that does not have a number in front. That's going to be the easier one to solve without having to say, divide by whatever's in front, all that stuff. So on this one here, if we want to get y by itself, we're going to do what? Get rid of the 4x on this side. So minus 4x on that side, minus 4x on that side. Then those guys cancel. And y is all by itself. That's what we want. And that means on this side now we have minus 4x plus 11. So that means that this is in place of y. So now up here for y, we're just going to put in this. Substitute, right? Substitution. So that means we now will have a 5x minus 2, and in place of y, we put in this other thing, minus 4x plus 11 equals 4. Okay, do we get that? Substitute this guy in for y right there. So minus 2 times this whole deal, and there it is. Now we just work it all out. So we recopy the 5x. And now we have this distributive deal, right? Minus 2 times the first one, minus 2 times the second one. So on the first one, we have minus 2 times minus 4 is plus 8x. So plus 8x. And then we wind up with minus 2 times plus 11 is what? Minus 22. Minus 22 equals 4. Okay. So out of this we get that 5x plus 8x, 8 and 5 is 13, so that's 13x there. Then we're going to plus 22 over here to get the x by itself. So we're also going to plus 22 over there. So see ya to those guys. And the windup then here is 13x equals 22 plus 4 is what? 26. Ooh, that looks good. 26. Divide by whatever's in front of the x, 13. Pretty convenient, huh? 13's cancel. And we wind up with x equals 26 over 13 is 2, huh? All right. So now the final step is to take x equals 2. Looks like a z, but it's 2. Put that version of x right there. And that will then give us y, huh? So that means if we say y equals minus 4, but then we put the 2 in there in place of the x, so that's going to be right there, 2. Then it says plus 11. So we'll scoot that up. And what do we get? Y equals minus 2, minus 4 times 2, minus 8, plus 11. 11 minus 8 is what? 3. So therefore, we have x equals 2, y equals 3. We write that as an ordered pair as 2, 3. And that's it. We good.